Hello everyone and welcome back. In the previous video we have learned about our WebRTC clients and we learned how to create a full WebRTC client, but in this video we are going to use actually our WebRTC client. To do that, I'll create a function called init WebRTCClient and it will have a username of type string. First of all, we wanna have a reference of our private val WebRTC client, and let's make sure that this one is singleton as well, and same goes for my main repository. Okay, so using WebRTC client, I want to set the listener to this class and let my main repository implement the override methods, and after that using initialize WebRTCClient and username, I'll just pass the username to it, and for the observer I'll create an anonymous class of my peer observer, and inside here I'll override three functions. One of them is on add stream, the other one is on ICE candidate, and the last one is on connection change. So inside my on add stream, I want to notify the creator of this class that there is a new stream available, and on ICE candidate I'll just simply check if it's not null. Then I wanna send it using WebRTCClient, send ICE candidate as the target. I'll just pass the target. If you remember, we are filling this target variable using setTarget function here, and we know it's not null, so we pass target to it, and as the ICE candidate I'll just use the ICE candidate. And in case of changing connection, first we want to check if new state is equal to peer connection that connected. If it is, first I wanna change my status to in call, and then I want to clear latest event inside my user section in Firebase database. To do that, I want to create a function called change my status and pass user status dot in call. So let's create this function inside my main repository and name it status, and using Firebase client I'll create another function and pass status to it. So let's create this function, and inside here I'll use dbref child username and child status set value to status.name, and I'll assert it. Let's go back here, and then using Firebase client create latest event function, which I'll create in a second, using dbref.child current username child latest event. I'll set value to null. So like this we will change the latest event to null. So right here I'm gonna need two functions to initialize local surface view and isVideoCall using WebRTCClient in its local surface view, and pass the view and isVideoCall to it. And same for initializing remote surface view. It will have a view of surface view renderer, and simply call WebRTC in its remote surface view and pass view to it. And then we will have start call function, which uses the WebRTCClient dot call, and we do have the target, and we will have end call function which uses WebRTCClient close connection, and Firebase client change my status, or change my status of this class to user status back to online, and another function called send end call to other peer. So I'll use onTransfer to socket and pass a data model to it. We know the type is end call, and the target is our target. So before I forget, let's complete this implementation of WebRTC listener. So whenever WebRTC tries to send or transfer an event to the other peer, we should just simply use FirebaseClient.send message to other peer and pass data to it. Simple as that. And we will have other functions like toggle auto should be muted of type boolean. Same, we call it inside WebRTC toggle audio, and pass should be muted to it. Same goes for video, toggle video and should be muted, toggle video. And for switching camera, we also use WebRTCClient.switch camera, and here I'll just pass an empty block for our listeners. Looks like we are all set with our main repository, so it's time to go back to our main service and use all the implementation of our main repository. Okay, that's it for this video. In the next video we will continue with our main service. Till the next video, see you everyone.